In Part 1, we explained what an FHA loan is and who it's for. Now, let's go deeper. To qualify for an FHA loan, you'll need proof of income, employment history, and a minimum credit score. FHA loans require mortgage insurance, which helps protect the lender and makes flexible approval possible. FHA loans can be used to purchase a home, refinance an existing loan, or even renovate a property. If your credit score is lower, an FHA loan may be a better option than a conventional loan. The first step is getting pre-approved, then you can confidently start house hunting. To see if you qualify for an FHA loan, visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com and get a free consultation today. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below on which loan program you want us to cover next.